I'm doing a review of two lightweight and affordable water bottle holder. The reason for that is I actually needed something to attach to the outside of my pack to carry suntan lotion spray. But while I'm at it, let's see if they will actually work for these four things. Just to give you a sense of size.
This suntan lotion spray is a 16-ounce insulated bottle. It's a tall but slim 20 milliliter bottle, so again 3 inches 2 ounce water bottle wide, so 3.5 inches.
Onto the second bottle holder. This one is made by Rothco. It is a little bit more substantial. It has two straps, so it should hold things better. However, when I open the package, you'll notice that there is a loose thread here, and basically the hook material is not sewn properly, so this part is already tearing off. So one difference is that this bottom flap actually comes off, and you can make a little bit finer adjustment. So here I have it adjusted to be very, very tight for a 2-inch diameter bottle. Since I have two straps, obviously it fits way better. So now I have it adjusted for the 2-inch diameter bottles. So the bungee here, it doesn't really work very well because it just is in the wrong place. But obviously it holds a bottle quite stable. And just try a taller bottle. With the taller bottle, the bungee comes into use here. So finally, it's set up for the extra wide 3.5-inch bottle. Again, it fits quite well. And the bungee, again, is not that useful. This one is definitely more adjustable. Unfortunately, this particular one they ship has a defect on it. But it's actually quite well made, and the fact that these have hook and loop all the way around, so I can tighten it way better. Versatile and affordable pouch for sure.